bought Foley that I didn't need, because I have this lovely one I got at a yard sale to make. I haven't used it yet, but I do have. We have fruit trees. You know, we've got some stuff. We've got plants. I've cleaned it within an inch of its life. It's dated the end of the 30s. I don't know. Basically, chrome is coming out of the tin. So whatever's quite a bit is coming off because it's been used so much. The family used it to make tomato sauce. The reason I bought this one is that the back of it's in much better condition. It's more modern. It has a plastic knob instead of a wooden one. Somebody made a boo-boo when putting it together, and that's probably why it got donated. So, I know, I should use a wrench. My wrench is soaking deep to rusting. But they put this on backwards, and that's probably why they couldn't figure it out. I may have to stop this video and find a wrench. I just thought it would just give it a good, I don't want to ruin the threads, but it's got really good little that's upside down. The spring needs to be underneath the thumb screw. I'm back with a wrench, with the proper tool for the proper job. I should have known. I was just being lazy. That's backwards, so it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but let's see what we can get going on here. Oh yeah, that didn't even take much, just I couldn't grip onto it fast enough, well enough. There we go. It explains why it got donated. And as you can see, all the plating is still on the bottom. It's beautiful. And that is how that works. You take it apart, you clean it. There's actually the instructions printed right on it about how to clean it. To use food mill, turn paddle, right with, turn paddle right with downward pressure, reverse often with fruits having hard pits of seeds. Oh no, this one, the other one, mine, this one tells me to clean it. I wonder if they all say something different. To clean, remove thumb screw, lift out masher, food mill, Foley patent, 1936. So this one just says Foley Manufacturing Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. But because this is a plastic handle, it's much later than this one. And it has a different thing. Maybe it should tell people how to fix. See, it's because they didn't tell somebody how to clean it. They put it back together wrong. The thumb screw is on the bottom, and the spring and the sweep have to be here, so like that. So. There you go. Yeah, it's supposed to make that noise. And it's supposed to be rough. So smush all the fruit down into the pan. Aside from that, there's not much difference. The thumb screw on this one's a slightly different shape, but essentially they work the same. Yep. Slight adjustments probably. So, this one's not dated. It just says Food Mill by Foley. I mean, I probably can look up the dates. I still haven't washed this one yet. What I did with this one is I taped everything off except for the handle. I didn't do the knob, it looked pretty good, but the handle looked like it had been washed too much. It just didn't have a nice sheen. So I taped everything off after I washed it and scrubbed it, and then I hid that with some satin Rust-Oleum, and it looks really good. But it's not like it's going to go into a dishwasher that I don't have. But anyways, there's a Foley food mill teardown, And see you soon. Bye.